Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Joyway Carry-On Luggage. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. Alright, so I'm going to go over a couple of key selling points on this. First and foremost, we'll find the TSA locks are kind of becoming more and more common. This works in two different ways. First of all, it keeps the front compartment involved in it because of these little kind of strips here that you'll just kind of slip right in and then push into lock, and that way it covers both. And I'll show you kind of up close what these look like. And obviously this is super light, but you'll just slip in the TSA, into the lock. This little piece, zip it up close, zip it, and just pop it in and combo all that stuff. So to open, obviously just click that. So while we're talking about the front, let's just show you when you kind of hear it's a pretty solid bag. As you can tell, you have a laptop compartment right in here, and it opens up at like kind of just a slight angle, so you can leave it open and again kind of have access to different parts of this. We'll have a laptop compartment, a mesh zipper here, which you may or may not be able to see very well, and then another little mesh bag, but plenty of storage space in here. And you'll see these are kind of little buttons that you can open up, and I'll show you why as we get here. You can literally just pop the buttons and allow this to drop completely if you need to for full access, if you need to store stuff. But ideally what you're going to do is keep these kind of buttoned. And we spend so much time sitting in an airport waiting for our plane to take off, waiting to get on, the lines, all that stuff. So having one of these that can easily just open up and kind of sit in this position is really, really nice. Just stick your laptop in there and have both options. But also, what we do, sorry, to get that closed. Another really, really cool option is this right here. Pop that open, and you've got a dedicated little stand to hold your cup, your can, whatever you're looking for. You can put your phone in there. A lot of different options, and again, you can even kind of rest your phone on this as well if you're just charging, and that collapses really, really nicely. As you can probably see, fully rotatable wheels. They are pretty silent for the most part, and you do have a locking capability on somewhere over here, so that it doesn't run away on you. You just press that down and it'll lock, and then these won't move. Lift up and it moves again. So you have that on two sides. Basically it would be the back side. So we're just going to step, oops, sorry, give you the view. You would just step and lock on each side, and then it should not, well, that didn't exactly go. There we go. So it shouldn't move, and then just pop them right back up. Front, I showed you, so let's look at the middle compartment. Tons of space here. Another mesh bag area. In this is another deeper compartment, so you can put even more clothing. So there is, a couple inches here that would just be able to store stuff. And then of course you've got your kind of X cover to hold clothing in place, whether you choose to use this or not, up to you. So a lot of storage capacity here, a lot of different compartments that are awesome. Again, just simply using your mesh storage, put your phone, your iPad, or whatever in multiple different locations. And then of course you'll have the ability to simply lock everything up with the TSA lock that's built in. And as noted, you have a handle here, and then of course you can drag this thing all over with expandable or extendable arm. So the only thing I would say is I wish it did have a secondary handle here to carry, because sometimes we need to carry it like that. But that said, this is an extremely sturdy piece of carry-on luggage that has a lot of safety protocols that I think are really valuable. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helps, and thanks for watching.